Here I have this candle making set. It comes with 8 tins, as you can see here. They each have a different design. They're very sturdy. Now you're also going to get your 8 essential fragrance oils with this casing. They smell absolutely delicious. Today I'm going to be doing the sweet tobacco flavor or scent. Now you also have your soy wax flakes. You have your candle wicks. It comes with your pouring tin that you need, a thermometer. It basically comes with everything that you need to complete this candle making process. So the first step that we're going to do is we're going to melt our wax. Soy wax flakes, soy, and when you're dealing with soy wax, it's a lot healthier than just your generic wax. It's not harmful to you. It's a lot healthier as far as you breathing in non-toxic things, which is what we love, right? First thing you have to do is you have to clean your candle making pouring pot, which I did first, dry with a paper towel, then we poured our bag of wax. Okay, now you're going to prepare your candle tin. Here you put your wax in like so with a little sticker that they provided. You're going to center 1 wick in each jar. Today we're only going to do 1 for demonstration purposes. So now we have to heat our wax. Here is I'm just going to set it in a boiling pot of water like so. You don't have to put that much water, so it's just going to go ahead and boil there. So it says here, once your wax is fully melted, then you're going to add half of a dye block to the wax and you're going to stir and light. They do provide you with all of these dye blocks, so you can do red, green, let's see, yellow, and we'll choose violet block. And you're going to break it in half and you save that for another candle making session. So we're waiting for the wax to fully melt yet. We do have our spoon that it comes with, so we'll go ahead and just start stirring. It is already heating and it is melting. Now this kit also comes with the little rubber basting here to cool off your pot. So we're just going to wait until our wax is fully melted. I'll go ahead and show you what else this comes with. It comes with a thermometer, which is super cool. You also have these metal things that are for your candle centering, your candle wick centering. This to melt, I'm going to go ahead and prepare the essential oil because eventually we're going to have to pour that also, right? So I'm just going to keep stirring here the soy flakes so that they do melt a little bit faster. And I love that it comes with the spoon, which is amazing. So I'm going to go ahead and open. Let's choose our sweet tobacco scent. And it comes with the little essential oils opener. So you put it in like here and you're just going to lift it up and pop it out like this. So you have that there again. So, okay. So we have our essential oils prepared. Step 5 is to pour the wax. So we're going to secure the wick and the wick centering device. This is the centering device that we have here, and we're going to secure it like so and pour. So let's see how our wax is doing. Now I absolutely love how they provide you with this booklet on how to make the candle, and they also provide pictures, which it's really easy to help you see what it is that you need to do. Steps so that you're not left guessing on what you need to do. Melting here, and we will wait for it to completely melt, and then we will come back when we start making it. Go ahead and add that half a block of dye, and we're just going to stir it like so. You want to stir it until it's completely melted. Back. So the candle wax has melted, and we put our half a block of dye, and now we have our thermometer in here. 100. Once it reaches 180 degrees Fahrenheit or 82 degrees Celsius, if you're using that way, you're going to add your bottle of fragrance oil. Okay, it's approximately a 7% fragrance load. You're going to stir it gently for 2 minutes to ensure that the oil is fully incorporated with the wax. Okay, now our thing has reached 180 degrees, so we're ready. We're gonna go ahead and add, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take my thermometer out here. Okay, and we're gonna go ahead and stir. Our candle is reaching 135 degrees, which means it is ready to pour. So let's go ahead and turn our thermometer off. So let's go ahead and put my candle tin on top of this pot here, and we are gonna go ahead and pour gently. Now they say only to pour about half an amount. Once it cools down, then you wanna top it off with the rest. We're going to wait until this hardens a bit, and then we're going to top it off. Since try leaving 1/4 room at the top and then top off with a second pour of wax after the candle has cooled. So we're waiting for that process, and then we will return. Okay, so our candle has cooled. I trimmed the wick about 1/4 inch, and now we have our warning labels that they provide you with. And it just gives warning instructions there. But look at how amazing. This is my first time making candles. It was super easy. It smells delicious. I absolutely love it. These are definitely keepsakes for years to come with these little tins. And it was an overall amazing candle making experience.